how to buy the America Party token. So this token came under the symbol of TAP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community. As you can see, they have big community there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 24 days ago and it increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds mindful. But as you can see, so after that, click here on swap. Make sure to select the Solana token. So after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it and now click here on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy like that. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, scroll down and you will be able to find here, so click on it. So after that, you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete buy process. So this is how to buy TAP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.